the things I really like about Christina is that she is very detail oriented, and she really picks up on things on her own. She has a good eye for things, so she just will see something that needs to be done. She takes the initiative and just does it.
She is such a professional. She uses a lot of her own products, brings in her own vacuum. She's really detail oriented and taught me a lot about how to clean professionally and what products to use. And I'm always asking her advice on how to get a stain out and these kinds of things. So she really goes above and beyond the extra mile to make sure it's highly professional. And I am a super host on Airbnb every single month because they always compliment how clean the place is when they arrive.
I have 2 dogs, and I didn't ever really notice that behind my couch was where the dog hair cluttered and fell most of the time. So I didn't ever think, we need to pull out the couch. And we pulled out the couch and we filled an entire vacuum cleaner bag full of dog hair that had been there for probably maybe a year.
Yeah, dirt detective for sure. I would say that she can uncover things and find things in the corners, and things will come out looking better than they did when they were brand new sometimes. So she just really gets into it. The appliances, she knows how to clean them properly and without damaging them, and really kind of bring them back to looking new again. And she's got a great attitude. She has a very can-do attitude, and she's very, very straightforward and in a great way, though, and very honest and open, and just a really good communicator.